Welcome back to another video. Today we have a new device, the T1000-E. This is a Meshtastic device. It's pretty much like plug and play. And I'm going to be setting up this device in this video and showing you how easy it is, as well as showing you how to update this device. I ended up picking this up because this is like on Amazon. It's actually recommended when you look up Meshtastic devices. And I'm always looking for easy alternatives for you guys. This device has a button, LED, a buzzer, and it has over a 700 milliamp battery. This device is rated IP65, so if this thing gets caught in the rain, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. So first things first, I'm going to show you how to connect to it. So when you try to pair this device with your Meshtastic app, the code is 123456. Once you do that, it will connect, and then as always, usually with these Meshtastic devices, you have to set your region. Go ahead and click on your region. The device is going to get it, and the device usually reboots after you do this, and if you wait a couple seconds, it should look like this, and now you're ready to go. It's literally that easy. But if you're like me, I want to update mine, so I'm going to the Meshtastic Flasher, and I just plugged it into my computer. And this is really easy. So they really updated the Meshtastic Flasher. It looks so much better now. Click on the device. Easy to see. You have pictures that match it up now. Pick the latest stable version. Hit the flash button. Don't have to read all this. Just go down, click on continue. Click this button. Connect to the device. And now you need to download the file here. It's going to download. Now you're going to go to your files. You're going to look for your the file you just downloaded. Once you do that, you're going to copy the file, and then you're going to paste it in the device here. So click on the device. That's what it'll look like, the T1000. And you're going to get rid of the one that says current UF2. Go ahead and delete that file. And now you're going to replace it with the one that you just copied. So go ahead and paste it. Once it's done copying, your device will reboot. You'll hear like a little chime, and then you'll know you're done. It's really that easy. I did some light testing with this thing, and it worked completely fine. Seems like it has some good range. Probably not as good as range as other Meshtastic devices I have with a really long antenna, but still. For the price of $45 on Amazon, this is a pretty good buy for a Meshtastic device. And that's it for this video. I really like this gadget because it's really easy to use, easy to set up, as you just saw. And I'm all for that off-grid communication system stuff, especially when there's future blackouts or just being prepared. Especially that this is also free. You don't need to pay a monthly service for stuff like this, for stuff with Meshtastic. And for $45 is a pretty good deal. So remember, safety is an illusion, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.